Welcome to Icuba's 20th Annual Enrollment for Benefits. More than 15,000 members from 25 schools across the state of Florida give Icuba strength in membership. Up next, plan changes and enhancements to your Icuba benefits effective April 1st, 2022. Effective March 31st, 2022, Icuba is sunsetting the Premier PPO copay plan. Members currently enrolled in the Premier PPO plan will be automatically transferred to the preferred PPO plan or may make changes to their benefits during annual enrollment. Starting April 1st, 2022, the plans you know and love will be getting some enhancements. The $4,000 $8,000 plan is getting a new name. Say hello to the High Deductible PPO plan. The new High Deductible PPO plan and the preferred PPO plan will share a new, more affordable copay structure. Starting April 1st, you'll have a $15 copay for primary care and pediatric visits, a $20 copay for PT, OT, and chiropractic visits, and a $35 copay for specialist office visits. Follow these 5 simple steps to help ensure a smooth transition to Icuba's new FSA and HRA administrator. 1. Update your mailing address with HR. 2. Remember, you can't use your WEX card after March 13th, 2022. 3. Save your itemized receipts and EOBs so that you can submit claims on April 1st, 2022. 4. Activate and register your new card to view balances, submit claims, and add dependents to your account at Ameriflex. 5. Sit back and enjoy your new Icuba Benefits MasterCard. As a reminder, saving your receipts and your explanation of benefits for substantiation is required by the IRS. Every purchase that you make with your Icuba debit card requires substantiation. Healthcare flexible spending on your Icuba debit card. With healthcare flexible spending, you make an election during annual enrollment. Your election is advanced by your employer, and the full election is available for immediate use in the new plan year. You pay toward your election each pay period on a pre-tax basis. Enrollment in a medical plan from Icuba is not required for participation in the Healthcare Flexible Spending account. Please note, FSA funds are use it or lose it and expire at the end of the plan year grace period, typically June 15th of the following year. Dependent Care Flexible Spending with your Icuba debit card. With Dependent Care Flexible Spending, you make an election during annual enrollment, but your election is funded by your employer each pay period. Dependent Care Flexible Spending funds can be used for expenses related to the physical care of dependent children under age 13 or adult disabled dependents unable to provide self-care to enable you to attend work or school. You pay toward your election each pay period on a pre-tax basis. These funds expire at the end of the plan year grace period, typically June 15th of the following year. Health reimbursement accounts on your Icuba debit card. With health reimbursement accounts, your employer deposits funds based on your medical insurance election. You cannot contribute to your health reimbursement account. Your health reimbursement account funds can only be used for eligible dependents covered under an Icuba medical insurance plan. HRA funds roll over year to year, and you're vested after 36 consecutive months of participation in an Icuba medical insurance plan. Icuba is pleased to introduce Embold Health to its members. Embold Health is a network optimization tool that looks at the current network of doctors and identifies the highest performing doctors within the network. Effective April 1st, 2022, Embold Health will be a complement to the current $0 copay for total care, primary care, and pediatric visits. Starting April 1st, if you see an Embold Health designated primary care, pediatrician, or one of the specialists listed on screen, you'll have a $0 copay for that visit. Up next, enrolling in your benefits online using Icuba's single sign-on portal. The Icuba Benefits Portal is a convenient way to access all of your Icuba benefits in one place. When you log in, you can complete annual enrollment, and you can also view all of your Icuba benefit provider information under the My Carrier Accounts section. Single sign-on connections are available for all of the Icuba benefits you're enrolled in. To establish a secure connection, click on the link for each carrier under My Carrier Accounts. Please note some providers require you to complete a brief registration process and establish a username and password for access outside of the Icuba Benefits portal. During annual enrollment, you're encouraged to review and update your benefit elections for the new plan year. Generally, you can only change your benefit elections during the plan year within 30 days of a qualified life event, but annual enrollment allows you to make benefit changes without one. We encourage everyone to view, email, and print their enrollment confirmation once complete. If you need any assistance during enrollment, use Ask Emma to help you choose a plan that fits your needs. You can only cover eligible dependents under your Icuba benefits. Eligible dependents include your legal spouse, a child or stepchild, a legally adopted or foster child, a child required to be covered pursuant to a qualified medical child support order, or a child who resides with you as their legal guardian. Up next, information about your comprehensive medical insurance benefits from Blue Cross Blue Shield. With Icuba, medical insurance means more. When you elect a medical plan, your medical coverage is provided by Blue Cross Blue Shield, but your pharmacy benefits are provided by Optimarx. Your behavioral health benefits are provided by Aetna Resources for Living. These three components are bundled together to form the perfect medical plan. Every medical insurance election includes plan enhancements from Embold Health, Surgery Plus, Rally, Hinge Health, My Health Novel, and Able 2. Icuba works hard to eliminate barriers to care. That's why you only pay your deductible when you receive major services. Many of our services have $0 access or no deductible required before that service is covered. The high deductible health plan has an individual deductible of $4,000 and a family deductible of $8,000. The individual out-of-pocket maximum is $5,350. The family out-of-pocket maximum is $10,700. Physician office visits have a $15 copay. Therapy and chiropractic visits have a $20 copay. Specialist office visits have a $35 copay. Convenient care clinics have a $10 copay. Teledoc visits have a $5 copay. And urgent care center visits have a $30 copay. If you visit the ER, there's a $300 copay, which is waived if you're admitted. The preferred PPO plan has an individual deductible of $2,500 and a family deductible of $5,000. Coinsurance is 20%. The out-of-pocket maximum for an individual is $4,000 and the family out-of-pocket maximum is $8,000. Physician office visits have a $15 copay. Therapy and chiropractic visits have a $20 copay. Specialist office visits have a $35 copay. Convenient care clinics have a $10 copay, Teledoc visits have a $5 copay, and urgent care center visits have a $30 copay. If you visit the ER, it's a $300 copay, but that's waived if you're admitted.
You know, we could all use some things to make our lives easier, especially when it comes to dealing with health insurance. The My Health Toolkit app does just that. Once you download the app, just use your existing My Health Toolkit login once, and all your insurance info is right at your fingertips. Use your digital ID wherever, whenever. Check the status of your claims fast. See what's covered by your health plan. You can even find a local in-network provider. #handy. Look, we're all busy, and healthcare might be the last thing on your mind. But you can feel confident the My Health Toolkit app will make your life way easier when you gotta use your insurance. Download it today.
Up next, exclusive benefits for Icuba members included with your medical insurance election. If you're considering the ER or urgent care center for a non-emergency issue, register for Teledoc Access today and save some time. Teledoc is a great resource to use while you're on vacation, a business trip, or away from home. Please note, Teledoc is not intended to replace your primary care or emergency care when you need it. It's a convenient and affordable option for quality care on the go. When you use Surgery Plus for your elective surgery, you have access to an elite network of surgeons who are licensed, board certified, fellowship trained, and thoroughly background screened. The best part is when you use a Surgery Plus surgeon, your deductible and coinsurance are waived. Your procedure is at no cost, and travel benefits are included when applicable. If you're ready to rally, we've got some good news. Icuba is increasing the annual Rally Wellness incentives that you can earn from $330 to $380. Effective April 1st, you'll be able to earn $100 for getting your biometric screening and submitting your physician results form. Did you know that employees and spouses enrolled in an Icuba medical insurance plan can visit myquestforhealth.com to download the physician results form and earn wellness incentives from Rally?
It's time to write the next chapter in your health journey. And now it's easier than ever using My Health Novel. My Health Novel, available through My Health Toolkit, gives you the tools you need to take your health to the next level. With it, you can quickly and easily create custom programs via premium nutrition, exercise, and wellness apps and programs. Plus, it gives you access to experts, online and in person, to get you in better health and keep you there. Enroll and participate in an in-person program, and we'll provide you with a free Fitbit. Enroll and participate in an online program, and you'll get a Fitbit and a digital scale at no cost to you, all to help keep you healthy. It's free, it's simple to use, and literally only takes minutes to set up. Manage your weight, set exercise goals, get health coaching and nutritional guidance and more to help you create and maintain a healthy lifestyle. We want you to be the best you that you can be. My Health Novel is here to get you there. To access My Health Novel, log into your My Health Toolkit account and select Benefits. Then, My Health Novel. You'll take a quick 1-minute quiz, after which you'll be matched with the optimal program to help you meet your goals. Don't wait any longer. Get healthy and stay healthy with My Health Novel. Only from Blue Cross and only available through My Health Toolkit.
Whether you're interested in starting healthy new habits or just maintaining your weight, My Health Novel matches you with the best nutrition, physical activity, and weight management tools, programs, and resources available. All you have to do is take a 1-minute assessment and get started with My Health Novel today. Visit hingehealth.com/Icuba to register for virtual musculoskeletal care from the convenience of your home. After the registration process, you'll receive a tablet and fitness sensors, working with a health coach on a regular basis to improve your musculoskeletal health.
We're Hinge Health, and we know that the needs of a back or joint injury are very different than that of chronic conditions. So we were inspired to go beyond just digital PT, to create the world's first complete digital clinic for back and joint pain. Our program combines physicians, physical therapists, health coaches, and motion sensor technology that surrounds members to deliver the right care at the right time. Our prevention program, designed by physicians and PTs, is always available to provide customizable exercise and education to assist in maintaining an active lifestyle and to help avoid injury. Our acute program is here for when life throws you the unexpected, like a twisted ankle. We cover all muscles and joint groups. After filling out a short questionnaire, you're matched with your own dedicated physical therapist for video visits and receive guided exercise therapy and education from the comfort of your own home. For those of us with longer-term pain like arthritis, we help solve for movement and lifestyle issues. We combine a full clinical care team, sensor-based exercise therapy, and unique behavioral support. Together, your PT plus your health coach make a plan with you so you can tackle that chronic condition. If facing the decision whether or not to undergo surgery, the clinic can connect you with one of our orthopedic surgeons for an expert medical opinion. And if surgery is still the best option, our surgery program offers pre- and post-rehab along with surgeon care coordination as you heal. The Hinge Health solution goes beyond digital PT to deliver the #1 complete digital clinic for back and joint pain. Our clinical care team provides the digital programs and behavior support needed across the continuum of MSK care, and our proven medical claims analyses are validated by researchers from Stanford. It's no surprise that 4 out of 5 employers with a digital MSK solution partner with Hinge Health. It's the investment that pays off.
Able 2 from Aetna is an 8-week program that lets you talk by phone or video with a qualified provider twice a week, all from the comfort of your home. You can get help with grief and loss, depression and anxiety, caregiver stress, and more. Call 877-398-5816 to get set up today.
Hi, my name is Daniel Stein, and I'm the CEO and founder of Embold Health. In today's unprecedented times, healthcare is changing in ways we never imagined possible. And yet there's one thing that will never change: the importance of quality, the importance of getting medical care from physicians you can trust that are delivering the best care based on the latest science. And yet the challenge is, healthcare is complicated. And up until now, we've had to rely on things like word of mouth or subjective opinions. Until now. At Embold Health, we take the guesswork out of finding high-quality physicians by using real data and real performance to help you find physicians you can trust to deliver top-notch medical care. That's what we do at Embold Health.
Consider your network optimized with Embold Health. Icuba members get immediate access to better care and no out-of-pocket costs for primary care, pediatrics, cardiology, obstetrics, joint care, spine care, endocrinology, gastroenterology, and pulmonology. Embold Health uses their proprietary technology to identify the highest performing doctors in our existing Blue Cross Blue Shield network. If you see an Embold Health preferred provider, you have a $0 copay for that visit. Total care providers are always $0 out of pocket for primary care and pediatrics, whether or not they're in the Embold Health network. Finding an Embold provider is as easy as checking My Health Toolkit. When you're searching for a provider in My Health Toolkit, you're going to look for the Embold Health designation badge. If you see that badge, your primary care doctor or specialist office visit is $0. Up next, more information about your prescription pharmacy benefits from Optimarx. Icuba's prescription pharmacy benefits are administered by Optimarx. Preferred generics are available for a $5 copay for 30-day supply. Non-preferred generics are available for a $10 copay for 30-day supply. Preferred brands are available for a $40 copay for a 30-day supply, and non-preferred brands are available for $75 for a 30-day supply. Additional savings are available if you have your prescriptions filled for 90 days via retail or mail order. Optimarx Specialty Pharmacy is $75 for a 30-day supply. You can also have your preferred generics filled at the NSU Clinic Pharmacy for $0 copay. Icuba provides preventive medication for chronic conditions at no cost. The Optimarx Pharmacy Benefit Plan includes special coverage for generic preventive medications to help protect against or manage special conditions, including preventing blood clots, preventing heart disease, and preventing osteoporosis. With Icuba pharmacy benefits, you can receive free diabetic supplies, including meters, lancing devices, lancets, test strips, control solution, needles, and syringes. Other free items included with your pharmacy benefits include prescribed aspirin for adults, prescribed generic folic acid, and generic prenatal vitamins for pregnancy. Some of your medications may require prior authorization. Prior authorization requires your doctor to provide information to the insurance company to make sure that certain medications are covered under your pharmacy benefit. Some medications require review because the drug may be approved or effective for treating specific conditions. The drug may cost more than other medications used to treat the same or similar conditions, or the drug may be prescribed for conditions in which its safety and effectiveness has not yet been proven. Icuba Care's pharmacists serve as a liaison between your doctor, the pharmacy, and the insurance company, taking the burden off you. Icuba Care's pharmacists can help with prior authorization assistance to help you manage the medication you're taking, reduce your gaps in care, and improve your health outcomes so that your experience as an Icuba member is better. If you want to quit using tobacco, we've got you covered. You can choose a tobacco cessation program that works for you. Coverage for prescription and over-the-counter products to help you quit, up to 2 cycles each year, and it's at no cost to you. Up next, behavioral health benefits included with your medical insurance, provided by Aetna. Make your mental health matter with Aetna Behavioral Health and Resources for Living Employee Assistance Program. Behavioral health coverage is attached to your medical insurance election at Icuba. But did you know that every employee at an Icuba school has access to Employee Assistance Program resources at no cost? That coverage extends to every employee and every member of their household. To access the EAP, call 877-398-5816 and press 1 after the prompt. Icuba's medical insurance plans are moving to a new, convenient copay structure effective April 1st, 2022. This new copay structure also applies to your behavioral health benefits. Take a look at the chart below for more information about where your copay applies. Your behavioral health deductible and out-of-pocket maximum is combined with your Blue Cross Blue Shield medical plan benefits. Please review the table on screen for a summary of where your deductible applies.
Did you know you have access to support designed to make your life simpler and better? Resources for Living is here to help you with just about anything, anytime. We're here for you 24 hours a day, any day of the year. And best of all, services are free for you and your family to use. Some days feel less sunny than others. That's why you can call us whenever you want a little emotional support with whatever's on your mind. We'll listen and try to help right then and there. And if you like, we'll refer you to a counselor where you can choose to talk in person, over the phone, or by video conference on your personal computer, tablet, or smartphone. If you have any cracks in your time management, Resources for Living can help. Simply call us for referrals to child and elder care providers, convenience services such as home cleaning and lawn care, support groups, pet care, and more. Or maybe you can use some help saving up for your next vacation. Resources for Living can help you with your finances through budget spending, managing your debt, tax planning, and more. And be sure to check out your discount programs to help your money work for you. The Discount Center offers deals on travel, entertainment, event tickets, and more. Has your paperwork ever gotten away from you? Legal services can help with cleaning up your credit reports after an identity theft, buying a fixer-upper, mediating custody disputes, estate planning, and more. You've also got access to online and mobile tools. My Strength is an online mobile suite. It's like a support beam you can lean on to keep your mind, body, and spirit at their best. You can access guided programs to help you with managing stress and anxiety, substance misuse, sleep, pregnancy, and more. You can also track your mood or just find motivation from the daily inspiration. And you can access your member website for live webinars, articles, assessments, and resources to help you find healthy ways to overcome life's challenges. There's even a mobile app so you can grow on the go. With Resources for Living, you're always connected to helpful people and resources. We're here for you because you matter.
Comprehensive dental benefits from Delta Dental. The base PPO plan from Delta Dental offers affordable PPO coverage with a $1,500 plan year maximum and the flexibility to see providers in or out of network. There's an individual deductible based on where you receive coverage: in-network, premier network, and out-of-network. Preventive services are covered at $0 in-network. Basic services have a 20% coinsurance in-network, and major services have a 70% coinsurance in-network. Child orthodontia is covered at 50% up to a $1,500 lifetime maximum benefit. The Delta Dental Buyout Plan offers PPO coverage with a $2,000 plan year maximum. The individual deductible is the same no matter where you receive coverage. Preventive services are covered at $0 in-network. Basic services have a 20% coinsurance in-network. Major services have a 50% coinsurance in-network. And adult and child orthodontia is covered at 50% up to the $2,000 lifetime maximum benefit. The Dental HMO from Delta Dental is an affordable, flexible option for dental coverage. With the DHMO, you have set copays for services, no annual maximum, no deductible, and no claim forms.
Welcome to Delta Dental. Want to make the most of your dental plan? With easy-to-use online tools, everything you need to take care of your oral health is at your fingertips. It doesn't matter whether you're at home or on the go. Sign up for an online account at deltadentalins.com to get quick access to your plan details. Review your coverage and find an in-network dentist who meets your needs and schedule. Ever been surprised by a dental bill? Those days are over. Know what to expect before treatment. With the Cost Estimator, you'll get a real-time dollar amount based on your benefits, including deductibles and maximums. You can also compare the cost of the same procedure at different dentists to see how much more you'll save by visiting an in-network dentist. Once you're at the dental office, show your ID card on your phone to check in. After your appointment, check how much you owe your dentist or download your claim statements for your records. Go paperless to reduce clutter and save time. With this secure option, there's no need to wait for snail mail. With a variety of wellness resources, you can find more ways to protect your teeth. Wondering if you're at risk for gum disease, cavities, or oral cancer? Try a personalized assessment. You'll learn your score for a variety of dental risks and can discuss with your dentist at your next visit. And that's not all. Discover short videos and fun articles on dental health. Expand your cooking repertoire with tasty, healthy recipes. Take charge of your dental health with Delta Dental. Let's shine together. Our Delta Dental enterprise includes these companies in these states.
Comprehensive vision benefits from iMed. The base plan from iMed includes an eye exam every 12 months with a $5 copay and a $15 single vision lens copay. There's a $130 frame allowance every 24 months. Your frequency is based on your date of service. If you receive an exam today, you're eligible for another exam 12 months from today's date of service. Contact lenses are in lieu of glasses. That means you're entitled to a full pair of glasses, frames and lenses, or contacts and frames. You would then receive a 20% discount on your lenses. The Buyout Plan from iMed provides an eye exam every 12 months with a $5 copay and a $15 single vision lens copay. There's a $160 frame allowance every 12 months. Your frequency is based on your date of service. If you receive an exam today, you're next eligible in 12 months from today's date. If you're using the contact lens allowance, please note that contact lenses are in lieu of glasses. That means that you're entitled to a full pair of glasses, frames and lenses, or contacts and frames. You would then receive a 20% discount on your lenses. Icuba is on iMed's Insight network. That means you have choices, lots of them. There are more than 105,000 provider access points at more than 26,000 locations, including LensCrafters, Pearl Vision, Target Optical, America's Best, and Eyeglass World. You can find a provider online or through the Icuba Benefits portal. You can also download and use the iMed Members app in the Apple App Store or Google Play.
On the go, your vision benefits are too. The iMed app is the perfect whenever, wherever companion. It's the easiest way to find just the right eye doctor for your one-of-a-kind life. Double-check your benefits and eligibility. Track your claims. Even get a peek at how much you've saved. Speaking of savings, you'll never leave home without the latest special offers in hand. One-touch login, one-shake ID cards. And appointment reminders make this app a snap, with lots of cool resources and extras that help keep your vision healthy and sharp. Wherever you go, whatever you see, take your benefits along with the iMed app.
Income protection, group life, and disability benefits are provided by Symetra. Income protection benefits through Symetra are available to Icuba members and include life insurance products and disability products. Annual enrollment is a great time to review and update your beneficiary information. Make sure everything's up to date before the new year starts.
You work hard to make sure your family has everything they need, from a roof over their head to dinner on the table. But what would they do if something happened to you? Could they afford the mortgage or keep up with the rent? What about groceries, car payments, or the kids' education? Life is unpredictable. And while most adults know they need life insurance, many don't think they have enough. Fortunately, your company has you covered by giving you the opportunity to enroll in Symetra Group Life Insurance at work, which can help your family get the extra coverage they need, and you some peace of mind. To figure out how much life insurance your family needs, it's important to consider what you have to pay for now, what you may have to pay for later, and for how long. Here's how it works. Gwen owns a $250,000 individual life insurance policy that she bought a few years ago. But now that she has a family, she knows that's not enough. Gwen wants to be sure that if something were to happen to her, the family could afford to pay off any immediate expenses, as well as the mortgage, her son's college tuition, and general living expenses for at least the next 5 years. To close this gap, Gwen signed up for Symetra Group Life Insurance through her work, electing a 5-time salary benefit for a total of $250,000. Enrolling in Symetra Group Life Insurance through your company is a simple way to help protect the most important people in your life. Coverage amounts are flexible, and premiums are paid through payroll deduction, making it a pretty convenient way to help secure your family's financial future. To learn more about your company's Symetra Group Life Insurance policy, review your enrollment materials. And if you have any questions, contact your HR representative.
Sometimes when you're electing life insurance or changing life insurance, you have to provide evidence of insurability. This is known as EOI. During annual enrollment, you may have an opportunity to increase your life and disability coverage. This may require you to provide information that proves you're eligible for insurance. If EOI is required, you'll receive a notice like the one on screen. The EOI process must be completed following enrollment, and your coverage must be approved by the insurance carrier before it becomes active. Evidence of insurability is generally required when you elect coverage in excess of the guaranteed issue amount, you increase existing coverage in excess of the guaranteed existing amount, or you make an election after your initial eligibility period. Long-term care is available through Chubb Life.
Icuba, in conjunction with your institution, is very pleased to offer members and spouses the opportunity to purchase the Chubb Lifetime Benefit Term Life Insurance with long-term care. The Lifetime Benefit Term Plan combines the advantages of term and permanent life insurance and includes the long-term care benefit as well. Members ages 19 through 70 may purchase up to $250,000 total coverage. The initial $100,000 of coverage is offered as guaranteed issue, meaning that regardless of your health, you cannot be declined or turned down for coverage. The policy premiums never increase and are guaranteed to age 100. Thereafter, no additional premium is due while the coverage can continue to age 121. Icuba members can also keep their lifetime benefit term policies at the same rates even if they change jobs or retire. After 10 years, paid-up benefits begin to accrue. At any point thereafter, if premiums stop, a reduced paid-up benefit is guaranteed, which makes the lifetime benefit term plan perfect for retirement. This plan also includes a long-term care benefit. The long-term care benefit will pay you 4% of the death benefit per month for up to 25 months if confined in a nursing or assisted living facility or receiving home health or adult daycare. To qualify for the long-term care benefit, a participant must require assistance with 2 of 6 activities of daily living, which include bathing, continence, dressing, eating, toileting, and transferring. These abilities must be lost after plan effective date. If the long-term care benefit is used, the lifetime benefit term plan includes a restoration benefit that will restore the insured's life insurance coverage to not less than 50% of the death benefit on which your long-term care benefits were based, up to a maximum of $50,000. This restoration benefit assures there will be a death benefit available for the insured's beneficiary up to the insured's age of 121. The lifetime benefit term also includes an accelerated death benefit, which allows an accelerated payment of 50% of the death benefit if the insured's death is diagnosed to occur within a 12-month period. For children of the member, the lifetime benefit term plan includes an optional dependent children term benefit, which allows for one premium to cover all eligible children. This benefit is available for natural children, stepchildren, adopted children, or any children under legal guardianship. The maximum initial term amount is $25,000 and lasts to age 26 and may be converted up to 5 times the term amount. Employees also have the option of purchasing an individual lifetime benefit term policy for each child. Members must purchase a lifetime benefit term policy in order to apply for spouse and dependent child coverage, and the spouse or dependent child coverage cannot exceed the amount the employee purchases.
The Chubb Lifetime Benefit with Long-Term Care Plan includes permanent life insurance and long-term care in one benefit. You have the flexibility to use the benefit in the way that best meets your needs. If you need long-term care, you can access your death benefit while you're living to pay for home health care, assisted living, adult daycare, and nursing home care. It's recommended that you use an EMB enroller when selecting this benefit to help you through the enrollment process. Personal insurance benefits from Aflac. Aflac Critical Illness Protection pays a lump sum cash benefit to you in addition to other insurance you may have. This benefit is guaranteed issue up to $30,000 for employee coverage and $15,000 for spouse coverage. Children are automatically covered to age 26 when enrolled. This benefit is portable if you're changing jobs or retiring, and there's a $50 annual wellness benefit. Aflac Hospital Indemnity coverage pays a lump sum cash benefit to you for hospital admission or confinement due to an accident or illness, including maternity. Aflac accident coverage can help you cover unplanned expenses by providing cash benefits for emergency expenses like ambulance rides, emergency room visits, bone fractures, and trips to the urgent care. To file a claim with Aflac, visit aflacgroupinsurance.com and click on Customer Service. Next, you'll click on the link labeled File a Claim. You'll be prompted to select which type of claim you'd like to file. Once you start filing, you'll provide documentation and the information that you need to substantiate your claim.
With Aflac, filing a claim is easy. Let's get started. To file a claim online, visit aflacgroupinsurance.com. Select Customer Service and then File a Claim. Select the product for which you're filing a claim, then click File Online. Reselect the type of claim you're filing. If you're unsure of the type of claim, click in the info circle at the top to view the claim types. Before submitting your claim, be sure you have the forms needed to proceed. Some claims require specific forms that can be easily downloaded, completed, and uploaded here when prompted. Once you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, click the I Agree button. Next, you'll need to enter your personal information, as well as answer a few security questions to help us verify your identity. Now you're ready to begin filling out your claim. Enter the patient information on the screen, then click Next to move to the next section. You can follow your progress in filing your claim by viewing the tracker at the top of the screen. Next, please review the Hipaa section to authorize Aflac to obtain claim-related information from your medical providers. In this section, you'll enter your claim details. Click the Next button after you've done so. Now it's time to upload any necessary forms such as medical records or your signed physician statement. Here, you can add your direct deposit information or update your existing information. Providing your direct deposit information is optional. However, it allows you to receive your payment faster. Once complete, you will be asked to review your claim. If any information is incorrect, you may edit your claim at the bottom of the page. If everything is correct, proceed to the next step. Once you have read the terms and conditions, check the box on the left to provide your e-signature, and then submit your claim. At this point, you may download a PDF of your claim or file another claim. With Aflac, filing a claim is easy. See for yourself.
Thank you for viewing Icuba's 20th Annual Enrollment Presentation. We look forward to bringing you better benefits through collaboration for many years to come. Please scan the QR code with your mobile phone and let us know how we're doing. Thank you.